Do you have any specific goals for the upcoming year?
Yes, I have a goal to learn a new language and travel to a new country.
Do you have a preferred genre for podcasts or audiobooks?
True crime podcasts and mystery audiobooks are my favorites.
Do you have a favorite type of art or artist?
I appreciate Impressionist art, and Monet is a favorite artist.
Do you have any favorite quotes that inspire you?
Believe You Can and You're Halfway There by Theodore Roosevelt.
Do you have a favorite app for productivity?
I use a to-do list app to stay organized.
Do you have a preferred type of holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree is a cherished holiday tradition.
Do you have a favorite type of outdoor activity?
Hiking in the mountains is something I always enjoy.
Do you have a favorite way to celebrate achievements?
A nice dinner with friends is my preferred way to celebrate.
Do you have any collectibles or things you like to collect?
I collect vintage postcards from different places.
Do you have a favorite childhood game you still enjoy playing?
Occasionally, I still enjoy playing Monopoly with friends.
Do you have a preferred way to spend Friday nights?
Relaxing at home with good food and a movie.
Do you have a preferred social media platform?
Instagram is my go-to for sharing moments.
Do you have a preferred type of exercise routine?
Mixing it up with cardio and strength training works for me.
Do you have a favorite childhood memory?
Family road trips, those were the best.
Do you have a preferred type of snack?
Nuts and dried fruits are my go-to snacks.